If your income looks like feast and then famine and then feast again, you don't have a sales problem. You have a missing rung. Let me show you the one gap that causes almost every dry spell in an expert business and how to close it this week. Here's what most experts do. They chase the big deal, the retainer, the VIP day, the 5-figure project. That's the whole plan. And then they wonder why business comes in waves. Big month, dead month, big month, nothing. The reason is almost always the same. They skipped the small stuff. And the small stuff is exactly what feeds the big stuff. So think of your offers as a ladder, from free to premium. At the bottom is free. That's your content, your newsletters, going to events. That is where people first meet you. The next rung is something low cost, a small course, a workshop, a template. Small enough to be an easy yes, but now they paid you once, and that changes everything. Next up is a call, a one-on-one session where you solve one real problem. Easy to book, easy to say yes to. And at the top is the big stuff. Those are the retainers, the VIP days, the projects that really pay the bills. So here's the mistake. Most people live at the top and the bottom and nothing between. Free content and then, hey, do you want to hire me for 10 grand? That's a huge leap. And most people won't make it. So you stay stuck giving away free stuff and occasionally landing a whale. The middle rungs do two jobs at once. They make you money now and they warm people up for the next rung. Someone who buys your small course and loves it is far more likely to book a call. Someone who books a call and gets real value is more likely to sign a retainer. The small things aren't a distraction from the big deals. They're the on-ramp to them. Skip them and nothing feeds the top of your ladder. The big deals dry up and that's your drought. So look at your own ladder honestly. If it's just free content and one giant offer, that gap is a drought waiting to happen. And by the way, you don't need all 4 rungs this week. You need one more than you have now. And the fastest one to add is the call. No course to build, no product to ship. You name one call, you set a price, and you've got a rung people can actually step onto. And that's exactly what EveryExpert is for. You make the call bookable. People book and pay in one click, and you just added the rung that turns your audience into income. So just go add one rung this week. That's the whole assignment, and I'll see you in the next one.